Hi, boys and girls. Miss Gatto with your math lesson today. Today, our learning targets are I can count to 20, and hopefully, today is the fourth day of this lesson. So, hopefully, everybody has been practicing using those songs on the Canvas page to help you practice counting to 20. I can use a 10 frame to show numbers, and I can count to see how many, and I can write numbers 0 to 10. So let's take a look and just practice a quick count with me today. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I know that some of you can count past 20, and I want you to do that. Don't just stop at 20. If you can count further, go ahead and keep counting. You can always put me on pause again. All right, today's number, let's take a look. Today's number is y'all know that number? 6. You are right. So what are some ways that we can show the number 6? One way we can show the number 6 is by drawing 6 things. They could be circles, they could be hearts. We're just going to draw 6 things so that we can show the number 6. We can also write the word 6. 6 is spelled with an S, an I, and an X. 6. Now, if we look at these circles that I drew over here, we could also say that 6 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that equals 6. We could also say 2 plus 2 plus 2, or we could say 3 plus 3. So there's many ways that we can talk about the number 6. So I want you guys to think of other ways that you guys could share about the number 6. Practice doing some things with the number 6 today. All right, now you guys are going to get out your 10 frames. We've been working with these all week. You need your 10 frame and you need your squares so that you can work with me today. Okay? So the first thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to show me on your 10 frame, I want you to show me the number 5. Now, when I say show me number 5, do you have to count or do you already know that 5 will fit on the top row? Remember, we always fill up the top row first to complete our 10 frame. So we're going to show 5 to complete our 10 frame. Awesome. Now what I want you guys to do today is just practice using your 10 frame and creating some of these numbers. All right, now the next thing we're going to do, we are going to draw some circles to match the number. So the first thing we have to know is what number is this? So if you already know this number, then this is going to be really easy for you. But if you don't know this number, we need to start with making some of those flashcards so that you guys can practice saying your numbers out loud. But this number is number 8. So I'm going to draw, and it says draw circles. So I'm going to draw 8 circles. And I always like to put mine in a row like I would be putting them on a 10 frame. It's just easier for me to look at and it's easier for me to keep track of. So I know that 5 fit at the top, and then I'm going to say 6, 7, 8. Now the next number is 9. So if I look at the one I already did, I have 8. So what would I need to do to make it show 9? Yes, I would just add one more. So let's see how that's going to look like when I draw 9 circles. So I'm going to start with drawing 5. And I always like to just go back and check to be sure I did 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to go 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I have 9 circles. Awesome job. So you guys could do that today. Have your parent write down a number for you and then see if you could draw that many in circles. Okay? Now let's go ahead and do some counting today. So I'm going to use my pen to mark these off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now counting is the first part. We have to know how to count them. We need to know how to write the number. So that's the number 4. So this week we're also practicing writing our numbers. Let's count Woody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. There's number 5. Now let's count this pretty princess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pretty princesses. So we're going to put a number 6. So not only are you having to count, you also have to know how to write the numbers to 10. So make sure you're practicing that because that is something we would be doing in the classroom. All right, let's count this angry bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like our 10 frame. 6, 7, 8, 9 angry birds. So we'll put the number 9. So make sure you're practicing. Let's count this baby doll. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put a number 4. So again, this week, this is something easy your parents can do to help you and support you. They could just draw a few pictures and then have you count and see how many there are and then write that number. So that's an easy way to get a little help at home. All right, now we're going to count and then match it to the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to know our numbers so that we know that this is the number 5. Let's count these pocketbooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 of those Hello Kitty pocketbooks. All right, let's count the trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you're going to write the number 7. Let me get my pen. Write the number 7. There you go. Now let's count. Derek Jeter. 1, 2. There are 2 of them. And then let's count these hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 10 is a 1 and a 0. Number 10. Good job, boys and girls. Now, on your 10 frame, I want you guys to put 6 of your squares. So what I want you to do is put me on pause. So push pause. And then I want you guys to count and put 6 on your 10 frames. So pause me now. So hopefully you guys put me on pause and you are showing 6 on your 10 frame. So here's my 6 right here. 5 on the top and 1 on the bottom row. All right, next slides, quick image. So get ready to just shout out what number you see. How many are there? If you said 4, you got it right. How many are there? 2. If you said 2, you got it right. Awesome. All right, let's count these dinosaurs. Now with these, I can move them, so I'm going to pick them up and move them. So if it's something that you can actually pick up and move, you're going to move it. So you're going to move this one over and you're going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to write the number 9. Great job, guys. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Now, this is our exit ticket. What I want you guys to do, just to show me that you've been practicing and that you've been listening and that you've watched this recording, I want you to show the number 7 on your 10 frame and then send me a picture on Class Dojo. So show me number 7 by using your squares. Take a picture and then have mom or dad send that to me. I want you to practice counting to 20 or beyond. And then I want you to practice writing your numbers today, 0 to 10. Also complete all of your Canvas work today. Don't forget to get on Canvas and finish up those math assignments. You guys have a great day.